Jose, you're in trouble.
Oh, DPF clogged up.
Yeah,
We didn't have a.
it's our truck, the one we bought not too long ago, 3 weeks, 2-3 weeks ago.
It just derated. It was when I brought it over here from the parking lot.
Yeah, it actually made it back.
It made it back.
Which is very, we were lucky.
But literally, when I drove it over here from the parking lot, it wasn't going no more than 5.
Yeah,
That's why I asked you.
He pulled in. I saw him when he pulled into a lot normally, and then got that code.
Okay.
You want to take everybody back on what actually
I
happened?
threw out that sensor, but. So first, I hooked up the laptop, and it was throwing a code for the differential pressure sensor on the DPF. So I took a quick look, and the cover on the backside actually came off. That was kind of strange. So we ordered a new one on there, and then I ran some tests, and it was showing the differential pressure too high. So that explains why it popped off. Then we came to a conclusion that the DPF was clogged up. So we went ahead and removed it and ordered up a new one, right?
I ordered up a new one, and it was pretty bad. We should have recorded more. Yeah, we haven't.
It was like what, like 1/8 inch or easy?
Yeah. It was a lot of soot, and we've decided to do 2 things. One is order a new one to put it in this one, and then bake the other one just to have it as a backup.
As a backup for
So,
the quick change.
So that's getting done right now. Other than that, we didn't have any.
I had an issue on
What
this
else
as
was
well. I had a code for the VGT, so I had a bad wire right here. I didn't tell you, I repaired it right here. You can see. So I took off the actuator and repaired the wire.
Okay.
So after everything's installed, run a regen, reset all the readings, the values on the sensors, and we're gonna take it for a spin, see how it runs.
What about the dozer? Have you checked the?
It's new, but you see there's buildup right here.
Yeah, let me see. I was just seeing that. They got it. Oh yeah. So, if the dozer is new and it has a buildup like that, but the buildup looks.
It's nothing excessive like that. It's clogged up on this side. We've seen worse. You've seen them.
Yeah.
So it
We
was
got videos on that, but.
no signs on it right here.
Do you think they cleaned it when they put the new one in? I don't think they took it off.
I don't think so. I think they just
They just put a
installed
new. They just put a new one in and
new
it wasn't
dozer and
cleaned.
that's it.
Yeah, which, you know, it's still might create problems if
Yeah.
you're not cleaning it up properly, right? But
Yeah, because then you're not gonna get the proper mixture of the DF
Yeah.
fluid spraying into the exhaust.
yeah, but other than that, drivers like the truck.
Yeah.
I mean, the other units are doing fine. I don't think we had anything else.
Well, we had one with the AC lines in the bunk. That was pretty much it. And
Yeah.
this is the second one
that
of these blue units.
The blue units, the white units, we've had actually one being towed back to the shop, and we'll do a video on that. We should do a video on that.
Oh, the one
What
that
happened? Yeah. I think I want to do a video on it. And we had with the white ones.
One was overheating with the fan clutch. That solved the issue.
Yes.
And then the other one with the oil level went up, and it was due to a bad injector. I believe that's what it came down to. But that was under warranty, so that was good.
That was under warranty. The we waited a week for it, just for FYI. It was annoying because once they got it in, they moved quickly, but it was sitting in the parking lot for a week, and that was a warranty fix, so I didn't want to fix it ourselves.
We actually had one 88. That's another one. That's Toyota's. Last week I replaced the crankcase filter.
Yeah.
Ventilator, because it was leaking oil. The bearings inside got worn out. And that's a common problem on the D13s. We have another one as well, 74.
Yeah.
That needs the same thing.
And we have to now start pulling them in for overheads.
Overheads.
I'm almost thinking I want Tom to start
Run the overhead
on this one in the morning because
Yeah.
we're gonna get it done by afternoon.
Yeah, once we get the DOC and the new
parts,
filter.
yeah. And you sent the DOC to
Get inspected,
cleaned
cleaned out, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Other than that, we'll see. Transmissions, we have to definitely look into the transmission fluid if there's enough. Have you checked it here?
Yeah, this one, yeah, that's good.
Okay.
You can see it right here.
Yeah.
You can see the sight
Yeah,
glass.
yeah.
But we already
Yeah,
have
see, it's right
buckets.
here. You're not gonna be able to see it with the filter on, but just for so people can see where it's at. But, yeah, right there, that little circle window.
And that
Yeah.
oil is expensive.
It is expensive. It looks like we're gonna have a lot of spare parts for D13s now.
Coming from the
Yeah. We had a storm and a tornado go over Iowa, and one of my trucks flipped. So we're towing it back to assess the damage and see what's going on. But
one of the 16s, right?
yeah, I just got pictures. The cab is shifted. So we'll do a video on that. Perfect. All right. Awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, share, and talk to you soon.